Good morning. It's awful cold here in Utah where the Sentinel Exhaust Brake Systems are manufactured, but this warm engine feels pretty good. I'm Ammon Bundy. I've been a diesel mechanic for over 30 years. I own my own diesel shop for 25 years. I want to talk technically a little bit about the Sentinel Exhaust Brake System and how it works with your valves. I get a question all the time, will it cause my exhaust valves to float? And the answer is no, because the Sentinel Exhaust Brake System is orifice controlled and only allows about 70 to 75 psi to build in your engine, back pressure in your engine, which is optimal, but it will not go above that. Now, let's say like your standard 5.9 valves are at 60 pounds. Well, 60 pounds equivalates to 92 pounds of seat opening pressure. So if you have a valve that's has 60-pound springs, that valve will not open until you have 92 pounds of pressure. So we stay underneath that, and that's pretty much typical for most diesel engines. The newer ones have even higher pressures. So the Sentinel Exhaust Brake System will not cause your valves to float, even on a stock 5.9 with a 12 valve. So hopefully that makes sense. That's how it works, and ultimately our system is orifice controlled and builds about 70 to 75 psi.